was reminded recently of this feature and how it has performed for me over the years. It's been 7 years since I did this the first time, and with it, one of the most durable components I've constructed so far. It's only fitting to mark that occasion with another attempt that I believe will be just as long-lasting. In the same tone woods as before, yet from the exterior, quite a bit different. Mahogany is a type of lumber that is both tough and flexible. I have a strong preference for the look, feel, and tone produced by this excellent material. It does, however, have its challenges. Like spruce, this material can continually flex without losing its strong rigidity across the grain structure, making it both a great tone wood and a challenging material to fit into our preconceived notions. All necks flex under the vast string tension we apply to them. What we want is a neck that flexes predictably and can withstand the string pressure applied stringently over time and seasons without variance. There are a few schools of thought here, and my preferences differ from the pack in a number of ways. Typically, we in the modern era have used adjustable truss rods to compensate for this seasonal variance, and in some cases, it works well. If the instrument can easily adjust the string height, we often attempt to make those adjustments before any truss rod modification, which is wise. In that line of thinking, on my first Selmer build, I decided to forego the truss rod slot altogether and place parallel laminated hardwoods through the neck as a test. Over the last 7 years, that neck has been incredibly stable. It has not required any adjustments, despite notable mistreatment in both temperature conditions and humidity changes. I wanted to add more reinforcement to this mahogany bass neck, and this is the perfect fit. The client wanted an adjustable truss rod, and most folks do. We could talk more about that some other time. I think this combination of the truss rod and reinforcement laminations will make for the perfect bass neck, both strong and rigid, and with the mahogany tone warmth we all desire. I will follow up with the back milling on this neck in another video. I'm still trying to keep these short when I remember my intent. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps spread this content to a much more broad audience. And until next time, thanks for watching.